In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove grid lines in Google Sheets. This is a handy tool for when you want a cleaner look on your spreadsheet or need to focus more on the data itself. Whether you're preparing a report or just cleaning up a file for personal use, removing grid lines can help you achieve a more polished, professional appearance. Let's walk through this process together. To begin, open the Google Sheets document you want to edit. Once your sheet is open, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find all the commands you need to customize and manage your spreadsheet. Today we're interested in the View tab, so go ahead and click on View. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several display options. In this drop-down, you will find a section labeled Show. Hover over or click on Show, which will present another menu. This menu contains various options for what elements are visible on your sheet. Right here is where the magic happens. Within this context menu, you'll see a checkbox labeled Gridlines. By default, this box is checked, indicating that grid lines are visible on your spreadsheet. To remove the grid lines, simply click on this checkbox to uncheck it. Instantly, you'll notice that the grid lines on your spreadsheet disappear, leaving you with a clean and distraction-free sheet. This feature can be toggled on and off easily, so feel free to experiment to see what works best for the context of your data. Remember, removing the grid lines won't affect the structure or content of your data. It simply alters how your information is displayed. This simple adjustment can significantly enhance readability, especially when presenting data to an audience or sharing it with colleagues. Additionally, it can be particularly useful when you're designing more visually appealing spreadsheets or when integrating your sheet into a presentation or report. It's a tiny change with a big impact, giving your data a sleeker look without the added clutter of visible lines. As a tip, if you ever decide you need the grid lines back, just follow these same steps to reverse the process. Click back on View, go to Show, and check the grid lines box again. Your grid lines will reappear exactly as they were before. The ability to customize the visual aspects of your spreadsheets is what makes Google Sheets such a versatile tool. And that's it. You've successfully removed grid lines from your Google Sheet. I hope this quick tutorial has been helpful for you. Keep exploring other features in Google Sheets to further enhance your productivity and data presentation. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.